Nikon is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the premium mirrorless market, and the shockwaves are heading straight for Sony and Canon. Ever since Nikon bought Red Digital Cinema, creators have been desperately wondering when Hollywood's elite filmmaking DNA would actually make its way into a consumer-tier camera body. Well, the wait is officially over. The highly anticipated Nikon Z8 Mark II has completely leaked, and it is actively erasing the line between a lightning-fast photo workhorse and an elite, high-end cinema rig. If you've been eyeing the brand-new Sony A1 II or the Canon R5 Mark II, you need to halt your shopping cart right now, because the Z8 II is about to force a lot of professionals to completely switch camera systems. Today on TechPulse, we are unmasking the verified supply chain leaks, a game-changing AI processing brain, and a disruptive price tag that is making rival manufacturers sweat. Let's kick things off with the actual backbone of this machine, the newly engineered imaging sensor. Ignore the clickbait rumors claiming Nikon is jumping to a 60-megapixel chip. Elite professionals know that packing too many pixels onto a full-frame sensor kills your low-light performance and turns the camera into a thermal bottleneck. Instead, Nikon is sticking to the absolute sweet spot, a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor. But here is the real kicker. It is built on a brand-new, ultra-fast scan-stack CMOS architecture. This design accelerates data readout speeds way past the original Z8, achieving zero-distortion electronic shutter performance. Whether you're panning across a chaotic racetrack or freezing a bird in mid-flight, this sensor delivers global shutter-like action freezing without forcing you to sacrifice a single stop of dynamic range or low-light ISO performance. Of course, a blazing fast sensor is totally useless without a massive processing brain to drive it. That is why the Z8 II is debuting the next-generation XSpeed 8 AI engine. This isn't just a standard speed bump. It's a monumental leap in computational engineering that bakes a dedicated hardware layer right into the silicon solely for real-time artificial intelligence inference. The breakthrough feature here is a proprietary system called Predictive Intent Tracking. Traditional autofocus is reactive. It spots a subject and tries its best to follow it. Nikon's new architecture actively maps out spatial relationships and calculates movement trajectories to literally project where your subject is going to step next. If a wild animal darts behind a tree branch or a bride steps behind a wedding guest, the Z8 II doesn't lose focus, panic, or hunt. It anticipates the exact exit path instantly, giving you zero-miss tracking in the most unpredictable environments. But where the Z8 Mark II completely demolishes the competition is in the video department, and this is where that multi-billion-dollar RED acquisition changes the game forever. The original Z8 was a great video hybrid, but it was constantly handcuffed by strict thermal limits and standard recording codecs. The Z8 II shatters those limitations by baking native RED IPP2 color science directly into the internal camera firmware. You get Hollywood-tier color profiles, organic skin tones, and cinematic highlight roll-off right out of the box. On top of that, it now supports internal 12-bit REDCODE RAW video recording right alongside traditional NRAW and ProRes formats. Now, pushing internal 8K video at 60 frames per second creates an absolute inferno of internal heat, which brings us to the camera's most important physical upgrade, the thermal layout. To prevent the dreaded overheating warnings of the first-generation model, Nikon completely ditched traditional passive aluminum chassis blocks. The Z8 II swaps them out for a cutting-edge, graphene-infused copper heat sink matched with newly sculpted internal airflow channels. This composite material pulls heat away from the sensor and the XSpeed 8 brain at more than double the efficiency of older designs, creating a bulletproof production tool. Sustaining those high-resolution bursts and endless cinema recording obviously demands massive electrical current, which originally sparked major battery anxieties online. Nikon solved this brilliantly through pure hardware optimization rather than forcing you to go out and buy an entirely new battery type. The Z8 II keeps the exact same, widely adopted Yin EL15 battery footprint, but pairs it with a completely redesigned power management chip. This specialized hardware slashes standby battery drain by 40% and cuts sensor idle power consumption by 28%. The physical shooting experience is getting an equally massive premium upgrade. Creators moving away from mechanical shutters demand real-time exposure feedback without crippling eye strain or annoying lag. Nikon's answer is a spectacular 9.44 million Ultra OLED electronic viewfinder that pumps out a blinding peak brightness of 2000 nits. Even if you're shooting in direct, scorching midday sunlight, the view remains perfectly crisp, showing rich contrast and dead-accurate colors that match your final file. Audio capture has also been elevated to high-end cinema standards. For the very first time in a hybrid body of this class, the Z8 II features internal 32-bit float audio recording directly through its microphone input jacks. Standard 24-bit audio forces you to constantly micromanage your gain staging to prevent clipping when things get too loud or excessive background hiss when you try to boost quiet whispers. With 32-bit float, the dynamic range of the recorded audio file is so astronomically wide that clipping becomes mathematically impossible. You can salvage absolutely any audio in post. When you look at the landscape, this is how Nikon intends to leave the Sony and II and Canon R5 Mark II in the dust. While Sony keeps relying on external phone apps and minor, incremental tracking patches, Nikon is fundamentally rewriting internal hardware limits by baking Hollywood cinema tools straight into the firmware. And while Canon continues to enforce heavy digital crops and strict thermal recording restrictions to protect its high-end cinema line, Nikon is giving you the keys to the kingdom. According to latest supply chain data and factory schedules, Nikon is looking to launch the Z8 II at an incredibly aggressive price point of approximately $4,299. This undercuts the flagship competition by thousands of dollars while offering vastly superior cinema pipelines. The official announcement is slated for this upcoming quarter, with mass production units expected to ship almost immediately after the reveal. If you own the original Z8, the choice to upgrade comes down to your daily workflow. If you're shooting purely static studio portraits or landscapes, your current camera is still phenomenal. But if your business requires zero-compromise hybrid flexibility, endless multi-hour video recording without overheating fears, cinematic color out of the box, and a predictive autofocus system that refuses to miss a frame, the Z8 Mark II is a true evolutionary leap. It is a clear warning shot from Nikon that they aren't just running the mirrorless race anymore. They're actively dictating the destination. Are these leaked specifications enough to make you dump your current camera gear and switch to the Nikon ecosystem? Let's talk about it in the comments below. If you want to stay completely ahead of the market, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to TechPulse, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a breaking spec breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next deep dive.